In 1998, NASA detected a faint signal heartbeat echo coming from the far side of space. The strange thing, that signal matched the heart rate of an astronaut who was declared dead. 27 years ago, in 1971, NASA launched Orion 2, an experimental deep space probe with a single pilot, Captain Elias Ward. His mission was to test long-range communications beyond the lunar orbit. But just 36 hours after launch, the spacecraft vanished from radar. No signal, no debris, no explanation. NASA, left with no other choice, declared him dead, a hero lost to the silent void. The world mourned, and the Orion 2 mission became a tragic footnote in the history of space exploration. But 27 years later, something impossible happened. In 1998, NASA's Deep Space Network in California picked up a rhythmic signal. The code was faint, almost imperceptible, like a heartbeat pulsing across the cosmos. When engineers decoded it, they found fragments of a voice, distorted by time and distance. Oxygen, critical. If anyone hears, it was Captain Ward's voice, recorded on 16-bit analog frequencies that no satellite had used since the 70s. At first, they dismissed it as a technical glitch, a ghost in the machine. But then the signal repeated, on the exact same 4-hour cycle, like a distress beacon that refused to die. Immediately, NASA launched Project Echo, a top-secret initiative to triangulate the signal's origin. It was coming from beyond the lunar orbit, following the same trajectory as Orion E's last known path. They sent an unmanned probe, Horizon, equipped with high-gain antennas and state-of-the-art cameras. After a tense 12-day journey, Horizon detected metallic fragments glittering in the sunlight, and then an object slowly rotating in the blackness of space. It was the lost capsule, perfectly intact, with power readings still faintly active. As the probe drew closer, its cameras relayed a chilling image back to Earth. Inside the cockpit, floating weightlessly, was a body. Still in its uniform, the helmet was cracked, the eyes open, staring into the infinite. And the control panel, impossibly, was still blinking with a faint green light. The onboard computer showed one active message, looping over and over: return path, searching. The ship had been trying to find its way home for nearly 3 decades. NASA's recovery attempt failed. Every time they tried to establish a connection with the capsule, the signal would distort and break, as if something was actively blocking it. Scientists later theorized the ship was trapped in a gravitational dead zone, a pocket of space-time where signals could bend and echo endlessly. This could mean that the transmission had been looping in space for 27 years, only now reaching Earth. But when the audio was cleaned up, a final, terrifying message from Ward was discovered. He said, "They're not stars. They're watching." NASA classified all the data. The Orion 2 file was marked sealed, top secret -2080. Fragments of that ghostly signal still float in deep space, echoing every 4 hours. To this day, radio astronomers occasionally pick it up, but each time, the signal comes from a slightly different direction, as if it's still moving. Thanks for watching.